Welcome to another video on Facebook and Instagram fixes and tutorials. So most people are trying to send Instagram DMs and it's not just going through. This is because Instagram DMs is currently down in some countries, and I don't know what country you're watching this one, but if you're affected, you can go through this process. So if you're using Android, all you need to do is you click on the app and then you clear the cache. And some people might have tried this and it might not have worked for them. So if it does not work for you, you can go to the next step. So but you can try this first of all, but if it does not work, next thing you should do is go to your Play Store. If you're using iPhone or iOS, you can also do this. Go and download a VPN called Windscribe or any other VPN, but I will recommend this because I think this one is safer. So you can use a VPN. This will help you to change your location to different locations, and once you do that, hopefully you get a location where you can easily send DMs. So you can just sign up for free. You can use any username, any password, or any random email. You can see the email is optional, so you don't really need to do much. So once you fix in those details, you would see it will automatically give you a location. So once it gives you a location by default, you can use that location. Just turn on the VPN by clicking that power button and then click on OK. Then once this is done rolling, you can go to your Instagram and see if you can send the DM. But if you can't still send the DM, that means that location that you chose by default is still affected. So you need to go back and change a location. Okay, so we're trying to send the DM and it's worked, so it's sent. But if it didn't send for you, just go back and then look for a different location. I was using United States before, but you can use a different country like Germany. Or so what you should look for is the countries without stars, because the ones with stars are pro services, they are not free. So look for the countries that don't have star on them and just select them, and then it would update. So once this is done rolling, you can check again and see if you can send. If you can't still send, then please hold on for Facebook or Instagram to resolve it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.